For over a century, the Michelin star has held a special place in the culinary world. Chefs dream of earning even one star, as it signifies culinary excellence and innovation. The Michelin Guide isn't just about awarding stars, it's about guiding food lovers to unforgettable dining experiences. From street food stalls to innovative pop-up concepts, the Michelin inspectors are constantly on the lookout for exceptional food. Street food, once relegated to the sidelines of the culinary world, has experienced a remarkable resurgence in recent years. And now, with the unprecedented awarding of a Michelin star to a New York City taco stand, the lines between street food and fine dining have officially blurred. The culinary world watched in awe as a humble taco stand in New York City achieved the unthinkable, a Michelin star. The awarding of a Michelin star to a taco stand was a watershed moment, a testament to the evolving nature of the culinary landscape. The people's choice. A star is born on the streets. The taco stand had become a culinary pilgrimage site, a place where people from all walks of life could come together and experience the magic of a Michelin-starred meal. More than a taco, the anatomy of a Michelin marvel. Each taco was a carefully orchestrated symphony of textures and tastes, a testament to the chef's deep understanding of culinary principles. A city that never sleeps, New York City is a culinary playground, a place where every taste bud can find its perfect match. Let's look at the evolution. From pushcarts to pop-ups, the evolution of NYC street food. The history of street food in New York City is as rich and varied as the city itself, reflecting waves of immigration, economic shifts, and evolving culinary trends. A symphony of flavors, the diversity of NYC's culinary landscape. New York City's street food scene is a reflection of its status as a global melting pot. Walking the streets is a culinary adventure, sampling flavors from around the world. From Southeast Asia to Latin America, the city's culinary tapestry is vast and varied. Head to Jackson Heights for samosas and biryani, or Chinatown for bubble tea and egg tarts. Sunset Park offers tacos al pastor and pupusas. And don't miss the city's many halal carts for chicken or lamb over rice. The diversity extends beyond ethnic enclaves to innovative street food concepts. From gourmet grilled cheese to artisanal ice cream, NYC's street food scene is a testament to creativity. Beyond the social experience of street food. The appeal of street food in New York City extends beyond the food itself. It's about the experience, the energy, the sense of community. Street food vendors are neighborhood fixtures, familiar faces who greet their customers by name. There's a certain intimacy to the street food experience. Perhaps it's the open-air environment, the sounds of the city swirling around you. Or maybe it's the casual atmosphere, the lack of pretense that allows you to relax. Street food in New York City is as much about the social interaction as it is about the culinary experience. A culinary melting pot, where cultures collide on a plate. In many ways, street food represents the very essence of New York City's multicultural identity. It's a place where culinary traditions from around the world intersect and intertwine, where flavors are blended and reimagined, and where new culinary hybrids are born. The city's street food scene is a testament to the power of food to transcend cultural boundaries, to bring people together, and to create a shared sense of community. Take, for example, the Korean taco, a dish that perfectly embodies the fusion of flavors that's so characteristic of New York City's street food scene. It's a dish that takes the familiar elements of a Mexican taco, the soft tortilla, the spicy salsa, and infuses them with the bold flavors of Korean cuisine, such as bulgogi, which is marinated beef, or kimchi, fermented cabbage. The result is a dish that's both familiar and surprising, a delicious testament to the culinary creativity that flourishes when cultures collide. Or consider the Vietnamese banh mi sandwich, another street food staple that's gained a loyal following in New York City. The banh mi is a study in contrasts, a harmonious blend of French and Vietnamese culinary influences. A crusty baguette, a legacy of French colonialism in Vietnam, is filled with savory meats, pickled vegetables, fresh cilantro, and spicy chili sauce, creating a symphony of textures and flavors that's both refreshing and satisfying. These culinary mashups are not merely a reflection of New York City's diverse population. They're a testament to the city's spirit of innovation, its willingness to embrace new ideas and to push the boundaries of what's possible. In the culinary melting pot of New York City's street food scene, anything is possible, and every bite is an opportunity to experience the city's unique cultural tapestry. First off the list, a star is born, the birth of a taco legend. The story of New York City's Michelin-starred taco stand is a testament to passion, perseverance, and love for food. A young boy, born in Mexico City, grew up in his grandmother's kitchen. Her kitchen was his culinary academy, her recipes passed down through generations. He learned the art of coaxing the perfect char on a chile pepper, the delicate balance of spices in a mole sauce, and the importance of fresh seasonal ingredients. Food was more than sustenance, it was a way to connect with others. When he immigrated to New York City, he carried those traditions with him. He started small, selling tacos from a humble cart. Word spread about the exceptional tacos. He poured his heart into every taco, treating each customer like family. He wasn't just selling tacos, he was sharing his heritage and love for food. The anatomy of perfection, deconstructing the Michelin taco. What sets the Michelin-starred taco apart from its countless counterparts on the streets of New York City? It's the meticulous attention to detail at every step, the harmonious interplay of flavors and textures, and the unwavering commitment to creating a culinary experience that transcends the humble nature of the dish. It begins with the tortilla, the foundation upon which this culinary masterpiece is built. These tortillas are made fresh daily, using heirloom corn sourced from a small farm in Oaxaca, Mexico. The corn is nixtamalized, an ancient process unlocking flavor and nutritional value. The nixtamalized corn is then ground into masa, a dough that's pressed into thin discs, and cooked on a hot comal until lightly charred and aromatic. Next come the fillings, each a testament to the chef's culinary creativity. The meats are sourced from local farms, marinated in a blend of spices, and slow-cooked to ensure tenderness. Vegetarian options are given equal care, showcasing the chef's ability to transform humble vegetables into culinary stars. A symphony of flavors, the art of building a perfect bite. The true artistry of the Michelin-starred taco lies in the assembly, the careful layering of flavors and textures to create a symphony of taste in every bite. It's a process that requires a deft hand, an intuitive understanding of balance, and a passion for creating a culinary experience that transcends the sum of its parts. Each taco is a blank canvas, a culinary adventure waiting to unfold. A warm tortilla, its aroma intoxicating, serves as the foundation. A generous spoonful of filling, whether it's tender carnitas, smoky barbacoa, or vibrant vegetarian chorizo, is carefully placed in the center, its juices threatening to spill over the sides. Then come the toppings, each chosen to complement and enhance the flavors of the filling. Freshly chopped cilantro and onions add a bright, herbaceous note, while pickled red onions provide a tangy bite that cuts through the richness of the meat. A sprinkle of queso fresco, its salty tang a perfect counterpoint to the savory filling, adds a touch of indulgence. Beyond the tortilla, the unsung heroes of the taco stand. While the tacos themselves are the stars of the show, no discussion of this Michelin-starred establishment would be complete without paying homage to the unsung heroes. The salsas, the toppings, the condiments that elevate each bite from delicious to unforgettable. The salsas, a cornerstone of Mexican cuisine, are a testament to the chef's mastery of flavor profiles and his ability to transform simple ingredients into complex and nuanced condiments. Each salsa is a carefully calibrated blend of chilies, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and spices, each ingredient contributing its unique character to the final product. There's a salsa for every palate, from the mild and tangy salsa verde made with tomatillos, cilantro, and jalapenos, to the fiery habanero salsa, its bright orange hue a warning of the intense heat that awaits. For those who prefer a smoky depth, there's the salsa roja, made with roasted tomatoes, chipotle peppers, and a blend of spices that will tantalize your taste buds. A feast for the senses, experiencing the Michelin taco stand. To truly understand the allure of New York City's Michelin-starred taco stand, one must venture beyond the food itself and immerse oneself in the full sensory experience. It's a place where the boundaries between chef and diner, between street food and fine dining, blur, creating a culinary destination unlike any other. As you approach the stand, the aroma envelops you, a tantalizing blend of sizzling meat, warm tortillas, and fragrant spices. The air crackles with anticipation as customers eagerly await their turn, their eyes glued to the chef's every move. The rhythmic sizzle of meat hitting the hot griddle, the gentle clatter of spatulas, the lively chatter of conversation. It's a symphony of sound that heightens the anticipation. The stand itself is a testament to the chef's humble beginnings, a reminder that culinary greatness can be found in the most unassuming of places. But don't let the simple setup fool you. The passion, the dedication, the unwavering commitment to quality are evident in every detail. The stand is spotless, a testament to the chef's meticulous nature. Ingredients are treated with reverence, their freshness and quality evident in every bite. A star on the rise, the future of the Michelin taco. The Michelin star bestowed upon this humble taco stand is not merely an accolade, but a harbinger of things to come. It signals a paradigm shift in the culinary world, a recognition that exceptional food experiences can emerge from the most unexpected of places. This is not the culmination of a journey, but the beginning of an exciting new chapter for the taco stand and its passionate chef. The future holds endless possibilities. Perhaps the chef will expand his operation, opening a brick-and-mortar restaurant that offers his Michelin-caliber tacos in a more formal setting. Imagine a sleek, modern taqueria where the aroma of slow-cooked meats mingles with the scent of fresh tortillas, and the ambiance is both sophisticated and inviting. Diners could savor their tacos alongside craft cocktails or Mexican wines, elevating the street food experience to new heights. Or maybe the chef will choose to remain true to his roots, continuing to serve his loyal customers from his beloved street corner. The Michelin star could become a badge of honor, a testament to his unwavering commitment to quality and a draw for curious foodies from around the world. The stand could become a culinary landmark, a must-visit destination for anyone seeking an authentic taste of Mexico City in the heart of New York. Whatever path the chef chooses, one thing is certain: he will continue to inspire and delight diners with his exceptional tacos. He has proven that culinary artistry knows no boundaries, that the pursuit of excellence can transform the simplest of dishes into extraordinary experiences. The Michelin star is not just a symbol of his achievement, it is a beacon, guiding others to embrace their culinary passions and to never underestimate the power of a perfectly crafted taco. A culinary revolution street food claims its rightful place. The awarding of a Michelin star to a New York City taco stand is not an isolated incident, but a testament to a global culinary revolution. Street food, once relegated to the sidelines of the culinary world, is finally claiming its rightful place at the table, challenging long-held notions of what constitutes fine dining and captivating the palates of discerning diners worldwide. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant markets of Mexico City, street food has always been a celebration of flavor, a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of cooks who transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. These culinary artisans, often working with limited space and resources, pour their hearts and souls into their creations, preserving culinary traditions and innovating new flavors that tantalize the taste buds. For too long, street food has been relegated to the realm of quick bites and budget-friendly eats. But the Michelin star awarded to the New York City taco stand shatters this stereotype, proving that street food can be just as refined, as nuanced, as deserving of recognition as the most celebrated dishes served in Michelin-starred restaurants. This recognition is long overdue. Street food vendors often operate with a level of passion and dedication that rivals that of any Michelin-starred chef. They are masters of their craft, their hands moving with a practiced precision that comes from years of experience. They understand that flavor is paramount, and they use fresh, seasonal ingredients to create dishes that are both delicious and affordable. The ripple effect. Inspiring a new generation of culinary entrepreneurs. The story of the Michelin-starred taco stand is an inspiration to aspiring chefs and food entrepreneurs everywhere, a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a belief in one's culinary vision. It demonstrates that culinary success is not limited to those who work in white tablecloth dining rooms, but is attainable by anyone with a passion for food, a commitment to quality, and the courage to share their creations with the world. This recognition has ignited a spark, inspiring a new generation of culinary entrepreneurs to pursue their dreams. Across the globe, young chefs are ditching traditional career paths in favor of launching their own food trucks, pop-up restaurants, and street food stalls. They are drawn by the creative freedom, the direct connection with customers, and the opportunity to build a business from the ground up, one delicious dish at a time. This new wave of culinary talent is injecting fresh perspectives and innovative ideas into the food scene. They are experimenting with new flavor combinations, sourcing ingredients from local farms and producers, and creating dishes that reflect their unique culinary heritage and personal stories. They are not afraid to challenge the status quo, to push boundaries, and to redefine what it means to be a chef in the 21st century. A city transformed one taco at a time. The awarding of a Michelin star to a New York City taco stand is more than just a culinary triumph. It's a testament to the transformative power of food. It's a reminder that food has the ability to bring people together, to bridge cultural divides, to create a sense of community in the heart of a bustling metropolis. This single Michelin star has cast a spotlight on the vibrant tapestry of flavors that defines New York City's street food scene. It has sparked conversations about culinary excellence, challenged preconceived notions about fine dining, and celebrated the contributions of immigrant communities who have enriched the city's culinary landscape. But perhaps most importantly, it has reminded us that the most memorable culinary experiences are often found not in fancy restaurants, but on the streets, where the aroma of sizzling spices fills the air, where the energy is palpable, and where every bite is a celebration of flavor, culture, and human connection. The Michelin-starred taco stand is not just a place to get a delicious meal, it's a symbol of New York City's enduring spirit, its ability to constantly reinvent itself, and its unwavering embrace of diversity in all its forms. The next time you find yourself in New York City, skip the fancy reservations and overpriced tasting menus. Instead, venture out into the streets, follow your nose, and discover the culinary treasures that await. You might just stumble upon a humble taco stand, its aroma beckoning you closer, its flavors promising an unforgettable experience. And as you savor each bite, remember that you're not just enjoying a meal. You're experiencing the heart and soul of New York City, one delicious taco at a time. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.